We are here to honor the trust that our fellow Dabaweños have given us. We owe this renewed mandate to everyone who believes in transparency, accountability, peace, and security. Despite facing the administration's machinery in the last elections, Davao City emerged victorious. Money did not win, principles did. Those who sought to divide us were all defeated. We crushed them. This resounding victory was not only felt in Davao City, but also echoed in key areas across Visayas and Luzon. For that, we are forever grateful. Now we turn our focus to the work ahead. The past 3 years have been remarkable for Davao City. We thank our barangay officials, our safety and security cluster, the entire workforce of the city government, and our hardworking, disiplinadong Dabaweños. We have come this far because of all of you. The city's income continues to grow from 5.1 billion pesos in 2022 to 5.9 billion pesos in 2024. Our gross domestic product has significantly increased from 495 billion in 2022 to 532 billion in 2023, reflecting the strength of our local products and economy. Our tourism industry continues to bounce back. We reached over 1.8 million tourist arrivals in 2024, more than double the 897,406 recorded in 2022. Most notably, more than 263 billion pesos worth of investments were made in Davao City in 2024 alone, 10 billion more than in 2022. The number of registered welfare of the people first. Think of our children's future. Work to leave them a city that is rich, just, and sustainable. To my fellow public servants, never forget the will of the people that brought us here. We must always listen to our constituents. We need to be even more proactive, and we must address community concerns swiftly and sensibly. To my fellow Dabaweños, we ask for your continued cooperation as we move toward a more secure and productive future. We know Davao City better than anyone else. We know its strengths, and we also acknowledge its weaknesses. Its growth and success rely on all of us. People in government cannot do this alone. We all need to do our part and contribute to nation building. The day will come when our forefathers will look upon us with pride, knowing we protected the city they built and led it to even greater heights. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan.